All right, well here we are. We're finally out, ready to do the maiden flight on my F-16. I am so excited and terrified at the same time. I haven't gotten the tail number itself put on here yet. I figure make sure she comes back in one piece before I commit to that. Otherwise, it's just going to be soul crushing. But we're going to get out there. We're going to see how she does. Hopefully this goes well. Will this be the maiden flight or the maiden crash? We're about to find out.
Took off at 45 miles an hour.
Flying so damn far, I can't even see it.
I know. Oh, he's right there.
There.
He's doing some weird shit.
Sorry, man.
Oh, it's classic. It's not bad. That was not a good run.
Well,
oh, sorry.
I cut her throttle completely and then realized what I'd done.
I gotta be honest with you, man, I can't track it with that. I'm going too fast.
103.
Still get it.
A big part of the problem is that we're touching too much of the profile. Or the small profile is making it too hard to hit.
Yeah, there was some
I'm
of
definitely
that.
seeing higher numbers when I'm like almost crosswise. Okay.
Huh.
Time is gone. Ooh. Well, she's down. I had no throttle. Way up. Well, told you I was a little nervous. I don't know what happened. It sounded like the throttle cut on me. The other side of the field, here's a bunch of marshland and a farmer's field we haven't been able to get over to, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. But yeah, that kind of sucks. But it's not a reflection on the plane, I hope, unless her motor burned out, which I doubt. But she was flying really well. I like the plane. Gorgeous. I can recommend the plane itself just off the one flight as long as we know the electronics are good, which I can't say one way or another. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can't find that plane. Until next time, keep flying.